Life is a bumpy ride. That's why you'd be better off having your car ready for the unexpected. With our Serenity car care contract, take the road while staying zen. Safeguard yourself from any unforeseen repairs like powertrain, aircon or electronic failures, and save up to 35% on your maintenance costs. Add a Serenity plan to your car and drive with the peace of mind that you have no hidden costs to worry about during the lifetime of the contract. Based on your budget, driving frequency or the condition of your vehicle, you can choose a Serenity contract that suits you best. Serenity Blue, a service contract that covers all routine servicing at a regular interval or mileage as per manufacturer recommendation. Or Serenity Silver, a service and maintenance contract that also covers the replacement of wear parts like battery, discs, fluids, etc. And you can also add a Serenity Tire Pack, which is under the smart investment, giving you peace of mind about the renewal of your tires following normal usage of the vehicle. Amazing, right? And guess what? Financing options are also available for Serenity contracts at the time of vehicle purchase at Axess on the following brands: Citroën, Ford, Mazda, Peugeot or Suzuki. What's more, the contracts are 100% transferable to help increase the resale value of your car. So, are you starting to be zen? Head to our website or talk to us today.